Ano cheap good? Cheap.
Kada na ni. Hala, so kailangan tag. Ayusan.
Ayusan eh.
Sitik kayo ba yun?
Parang naman. Junk side, di ba kawalan junk side?
Ay, wait. Atras sa sige.
Madungog ta.
Hala.
Madungog ta.
Kusgong dyan ako.
Dapat adre mo dapat adre.
Kusgong dyan ako. Hala, saan mo?
Jelly dire ako, pray jelly dire. Cross
Ay,
boy.
ka jelly.
Dire.
Jelly.
Dire.
Okay. Formation. The future is in our hands. We stand here today on the precipice of the future. It's not a distant reality anymore. It begins here. It begins today. We began high school as children.
But we're living here as adults.
We completed a basic education that will serve as the platform we use to launch ourselves into our future. Some of us will go on to college.
Others will go straight
into
on the
the
workforce.
But each of us will travel our own path. No matter where we go or what we do, there are challenges ahead of us. What I'm asking for each of you and from myself is to meet those challenges straight on with your head held high and your heart wide open. It's not enough to simply try to get by in life. That doesn't move the world forward. You must try to excel in everything you do. Strive for excellence in every task, large or small. Although it may not be easy to see, every accomplishment you achieve is added to the world's accomplishments. Your individual success benefits society as a whole, because when you succeed, you lighten the burden on your fellow man. When you succeed, you are in a position to give rather than take. Imagine if every individual lived up to his or her own potential. Think about how amazing that would be, and how much better off the world would be. Now imagine if just half of those individuals live up to their potential. The world would still be an awesome place. If even 1/4 of those individuals work to make their lives successful, they could still make some amazing contributions to our society. Well, we may not have the power to inspire the entire world to strive for success, but we do have the power to try to achieve it for ourselves. My challenge to each of you and to myself is to do all that you can do to reach your full potential. Each of the 38 students in this graduating class is able to do that. Just imagine the effect that would have. The future is truly in our hands, so let's make the most of it. Thank you.
Pwede na to. Dili. Di ka masagot. Sabi from the top.
Okay na, uy.
Okay na,